Okay, we are back into AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Thank you for joining me, and make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any new videos that are coming your way. And feel free to share these videos in social media as well. I'd really appreciate it. So this time around, we're taking a trip down memory lane, and we're going to explore some of the classic copywriting techniques of the last 60 years and how you can apply them in today's AI world. So if you're ready to learn from the legends, I'm going to show you my ChatGPT screen as I have already loaded these in. So we're going to talk about three in particular. The first will be AIDA, and that's attention, interest, desire, and action. This technique has been used by copywriting greats like David Ogilvy to create ads that grab attention, spark interest, build desire, and prompt action. So imagine crafting a headline that stops your audience in their tracks, or writing an opening paragraph to an email that keeps them hooked and want to read more. So with AI tools, you can easily generate captivating headlines and engaging content that follows this proven formula. So in this example, you could say, write an advertisement for a new productivity app using the AIDA model to capture interest, capture attention, generate interest, create desire, and prompt action. All right. And as long as you ensure that each one is represented here, you're going to get a very good output from ChatGPT. Okay. Then we have PAS, problem, agitation, solution. And this technique is all about identifying first a common problem that your audience faces, and then agitating it to highlight its impact, and then presenting your product as the perfect solution. Think about how many classic ads you've seen or heard on the radio that follow this structure. And next time you listen to an ad or watch it on TV, if you watch it as a student of marketing or copywriting, you'll realize that this is a formula that's been going on for decades. So now with AI, you can take it a step further by analyzing audience feedback and crafting really targeted messages. So with this one, we can say, write an email campaign for a new fitness program using the PAS model to identify a common problem, agitate the issue, and provide a compelling solution. And make sure that the pain points are really amplified here, okay? To make that solution that you're offering more appealing and urgent. And then finally, there's so many to go over, but for the sake of this quick video, we're only going to tackle three. And speaking of three, the last one is the rule of three. This is a very simple yet really powerful technique that involves presenting information in threes, just to make it more memorable, whether it's 3 benefits of a product, or 3 reasons to buy, or 3 steps to success. You get the idea. This is a rule that works wonders, and classic copywriters like Claude Hopkins use this technique to great effect. And guess what? You can optimize this with AI. Like this prompt, write a social media post for a skincare brand that uses the rule of 3 to highlight key benefits. So what you're going to do there is it's going to give you the 3 key benefits. And this is a really great way to bring out your 3 main points that you want people to absorb in your product or service. So as you can see here, the AIDA, PAS, and rule of 3 are really timeless techniques, but they really stand out in the age of AI because we can do all kinds of new things with these old school strategies and tactics and techniques, because AI just shines a whole new light onto all the different possibilities with your copywriting. So have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next video.